And okay, so I have to record this meeting as well as per the organizers. So yeah. All right, fine then. So we'll start with round one, Edwin set of directs, right? So everyone ready, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, then. All right. Along with republics and kreis, these are a type of federal subject or political division in Russia. 46 of them exist in Russia today, with the one in Kaliningrad famously being a Russian exclave. What administrative regions are these? Edwin, you're direct.
Province.
I have to pass you on that, right? Passes to Notsram. Ramesh.
Gulags.
Okay, that's wrong. Alankar.
Oblast.
Oblast is correct, right? Good answer there. So the most famous being Kaliningrad Oblast, right? So these are called as Oblast. All right. So we go to question 2 for you, Edwin. Okay. Name either of the two categories that have been used to classify Indian philosophies by most modern scholars. The first category refers to one who believes in the existence of Atma, which is the self, soul, or spirit. The latter has the opposite definition and shares its name with a 1983 Hindi language Amitabh Bachchan Hema Malini film.
Tattvamasi.
Okay, I have to pass you on that. Alind.
So, either of the two. So, is it
Yeah.
Vedanta?
To answer. Okay, I have to pass you on that. Ramesh. Yeah, Ramesh, do you have an answer?
Pass.
Okay, Alankar.
Lokayat.
Sorry.
Lokayat.
No, that's
Oh,
wrong.
I know this answer. This is Advait, right?
No, it is Astik or Nastik. Right. So
Oh.
the Hindi film is Nastik. All right. Yeah. Okay. So we go to Ramesh's directs. Okay. Which 9-letter word was coined by Charles Richer in 1894 to describe the paranormal substance that emanates from a medium during a swans? Ghostbusters popularized the usage of the term in a paranormal context, while the term in biology refers to the outer part of the cytoplasm. It happens to be one of Captain Haddock's earliest curses, Tintin comics, uttered in The Crab with the Golden Claws. Yeah, Ramesh, you're direct.
Barnacles.
Okay, so that's wrong. Edwin?
Ectoplasm.
Ectoplasm is correct. Yeah, ectoplasm is the answer. Good answer there. We go to your second direct, Ramesh. Okay. Which 1925 book was banned in Germany from 1945 till its copyright expired following 70 years of the author's passing? The author originally wanted to title the book 4.5 Years of Struggle Against Lies, Stupidity, and Cowardice. Before his publisher suggested a shorter title.
This is Mein Kampf.
Yeah, Mein Kampf is correct, right? All right. Good answer there. We go to Alankar's directs now. Yeah. Who was given her first name meaning grief-stricken after a famous Pashtun poet and warrior woman from Maiwand in southern Afghanistan. This activist for female education and vocal opponent to the Taliban's policy is the youngest ever Nobel Prize laureate.
Malala Yousafzai.
Yeah, Malala Yousafzai is correct, right? Simple one there. We go to question 2 for you. Last year, chess.com compiled a list of the greatest chess players of all time. Number 1 on that list was which Russian grandmaster known for being ranked number 1 for a total of 255 months until his retirement in 2005. He holds records for the most consecutive professional tournament wins, and Chess Oscars in 1997 became the first world champion to lose a match to a computer under standard time controls.
Gary Kasparov.
Yeah, Gary Kasparov is correct, right? 2 on 2 there. All right. Alind, your directs. Okay, right. Okay, every year Barack Obama releases a summer playlist of songs on Spotify, a mix of different genres and eras. Exodus from Obama's 2021 summer list is a 1977 song by which artist? The song ties together the biblical story of Moses leading the Israelites out of Egypt to the hope of Rastafarians being led to freedom. Yeah, 10 seconds.
Pass.
Okay, Edwin.
Bob Marley.
Bob Marley is correct, right? Okay, so Rastafarian being the hint, right, at the end. All right. We go to question 2 there. Okay, created by Don Bluth and first distributed in 1988, The Land Before Time is the single most successful franchise in dinosaur film history. It features the adventures of Littlefoot, aka lovable Littlefoot, an anthropomorphic version of which genus of very large herbivorous sauropod dinosaurs of the late Jurassic period. Othniel Charles Marsh gave it the name derived from the Greek words meaning deceptive lizard, as its bones resemble those of mosasaurs, a group of large marine reptiles.
This is the Triceratops.
Have to pass you on that. Ramesh?
Us.
Okay. Edwin?
Is it Stegosaurus?
No. Alankar?
Brachiosaurus.
Sorry?
Brachiosaurus.
No, that's wrong. So this is the Apatosaurus. Okay, Apatosaurus. All right, fine. So yeah, so now we go to round 2. Right? We are done with round 1. So Edwin, your set of directs now. Okay, this brand mascot named in 1921 was given a cheery and all-American sounding first name. Her image, first introduced in 1954, has been updated regularly to reflect changes in fashions and hairstyles. Identify this General Mills mascot, named America's second most popular woman by Fortune magazine in 1945. Yeah, 10 seconds. Edwin?
Is it Wendy's?
To pass you on that, Ramesh?
Pass.
Yeah. Okay, Alind?
Betty.
Yeah, okay. Could you better your answer?
Betty Mills.
Okay, I have to actually pass you on that. Alankar.
Betty Crocker.
Yeah, Betty Crocker is correct, right? Betty
Ah,
Crocker is
okay.
correct. Okay. Yeah. So unless otherwise stated, the surname is operative, right? So even if you had said Crocker, I guess you would have got it. All right. So
Oh,
yeah.
yeah, that's fine.
Okay. All right. So second direct to you, Edwin. Okay. Who presented Satyajit Ray with an honorary Academy Award via video link in April 1992? This acting legend was herself the winner of a competitive Oscar for the film Roman Holiday, as well as a recipient of the Jean Herschel Humanitarian Award.
Is it Catherine Hepburn?
To pass you on that, Ramesh.
My turn.
Yeah. Your turn. Yes.
Audrey Hepburn.
Yeah, Audrey Hepburn is correct, right? Okay. Yeah. All right. So Ramesh, your directs. Yeah, The Land Before Time features the adventures of anti-heroine Sarah, an anthropomorphic version of which genus of large herbivorous quadrupedal dinosaurs of the late Cretaceous period. The name refers to the two horns above its eyes and the smaller third horn on its snout. Yeah, 10 seconds.
Brachiosaurus.
Okay, I have to pass you on that. Alind.
Pass.
Okay, Edwin.
Triceratops.
Yeah, I'll give it to you. It is Triceratops, right?
Oh,
Okay.
Triceratops.
Yeah. All right. We go to Ramesh's directs. Second direct, sorry. Okay. Number 9 on the chess.com list of greatest players, which Soviet Latvian grandmaster was nicknamed the Magician from Riga. He was known by the diminutive Misha and was the undisputed world champion in the early 1960s. He was born with the congenital deformity called ectrodactyly, missing a few central fingers, and yet was a skilled piano player. Yeah, Ramesh, your direct.
Alekin.
Okay, I have to pass you on that. Alind.
Pass.
Okay, Alankar.
To pass.
Okay, Edwin.
Is it Karpov?
That's wrong. Okay, so the answer is Mikhail Tal. Okay, Mikhail Tal. Right. So now we go to Alankar's set of directs. Okay, two lion statues, one male with a ball and another lioness with a cub, are seen at almost every door in which Asian Palace complex that was completed in 1420. It is valued at 70 billion US dollars. Some buildings in this complex include the Palace of Heavenly Purity and the Hall of Mental Cultivation.
Potala Palace.
Okay, I have to pass you on that. Alind.
Pass.
Okay, Ramesh.
The Forbidden Palace.
Yeah, Forbidden Palace in Beijing is correct, right? All right. So another name for it is Xinjiang or Gugong. Okay, so those are the alternate names. We go to Alankar's second direct. Okay, Walk-In from Barack Obama's 2021 summer playlist is a 1957 track by which legendary musician. He's the creator of the album Kind of Blue, often cited as the best-selling jazz record. He was nicknamed the Prince of Darkness since he often performed in dark attire and had an introspective attitude during live performances.
Louis Armstrong.
I have to pass you on that. Alind?
Pass.
Okay. Ramesh?
Duke Ellington.
No. Edwin?
Pass.
Okay. So this is Miles Davis. Okay. Miles Davis.
Oh.
Right. Yeah. So now Alind, your set of directs. Okay. The term Malinchista refers to a disloyal compatriot, especially in Mexico. Its origins are in the story of a 16th century woman named La Malinche. Malinche is considered a traitor for indirectly helping with Spaniard conquer the Aztec Empire by being his interpreter and assistant. Since Mexican independence in 1821, she was portrayed as a scheming temptress. Yeah, 10 seconds, Alind. Yeah, do you have an
Pass.
answer? Okay,
Don
Ramesh.
Juan. I don't know.
Okay, Ramesh.
Pass.
Okay, Alankar.
Hernan Cortes.
Hernan Cortes is correct, right? Good answer.
Good.
Right. All right, second question. Okay, on June 9, 2021, which country became the world's first to accept cryptocurrency as a legal tender? While the bill legalizing it was being voted on by the parliament, its president Nayib Bukele was talking live about its progress at the same time on an impromptu Twitter Spaces event. It is the only Central American country without a coastline on the Caribbean Sea.
Oh God. Oh, I knew this. Okay. Is it Honduras?
Okay, I have to pass you on that. Ramesh?
Bolivia.
No. Edwin?
El Salvador.
El Salvador is correct, right? So yeah, Alin, it was close, but then yeah, all right. Yeah, so we go to Edwin's set of directs. Yeah. Which Lebanese British barrister's first name means hope in Arabic? Her work includes the recognition of the Armenian genocide, where she represented Armenia, and some of her clients include Julian Assange and Nobel Prize laureate Nadia Murad. She is married to an actor who has won 2 Academy Awards, one for acting in Syriana and the other for co-producing Argo.
Amal Clooney.
Amal Clooney is correct, right? Born Amal Alamuddin. Okay. Yeah. Second question to Edwin. Okay. At Olympics opening ceremonies, countries usually walk out in the parade in alphabetical order according to the local language. In which European cities Olympics did team not walk out in the local language due to the political sensitivity surrounding the language's international legitimacy? Instead, the neutral French was used, although French is not an official language in that country. Yeah, 10 seconds, Edwin.
Is it Belgium?
No, I have to pass you. Alind?
With
Yeah,
pass.
Alind. Okay, Ramesh. Do you have an answer?
Barcelona.
Barcelona is correct, right? Barcelona 1992. The language is Catalan. Okay,
Catalan.
right. All right. So we go to Ramesh's directs now. All right. Yeah, literally justice, rulers, method, or judgment, the most significant contribution of which Orthodox school of Hindu philosophy was the systematic development of the theory of logic and its treatises on epistemology. The school states that anything that really exists is in principle humanly knowable.
This is Advaita.
To pass you on that, Alind.
Pass.
Okay, Alankar.
Pass.
Okay, Edwin.
Pass.
Okay, so this is the Nyaya school of philosophy. Okay, Nyaya.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Hmm.
So justice, method, judgment. All right. We go to your second direct, Ramesh. Okay, a Greek legend traces its origin to Hermes, who created it by combining the entrails of Apollo's cows with a tortoise shell. Which stringed instrument is this one that was possibly played by Nero while Rome burned? The answer is reminiscent of either of the two species of imitating ground-dwelling Australian birds in the genus Menura. Yeah, 10 seconds.
A harp.
Okay, have to pass you. Alind.
Pass.
Okay, Alankar.
Pass.
Okay, Edwin.
Liar.
Lyre is correct. Yeah, so the bird is the lyre bird, Lyre. All right.
Oh.
We go to Alankar's directs. Okay, also called the angle of polarization, what name is given to the angle at which an incident beam of unpolarized light is reflected after complete polarization? It is named after a Scottish physicist dubbed the Kepler of optics, who was also credited with the coining of the term kaleidoscope.
Angle of polarization.
10 seconds. Yeah, do you have an answer, Alankar? I have to pass you if you don't have an answer.
I'll pass.
Okay, Alind. Yeah, Alind.
Pass.
Okay, Ramesh.
Pass.
Okay, Edwin.
Is it a Brewster angle?
Yeah, Brewster angle is correct, right? The law being Brewster's law. Okay. All right, good answer there. We go to Alankar's directs. Second direct, sorry. Okay, what name is given in Algeria, Malaysia, and other countries to an administrative region or district? Deriving from the Arabic for a circle, it forms the title of a 2000 Iranian film by Jafar Panahi. A cognate in Hindi was also the name of a 1996 Nirmal Pandey film directed by Amol Palekar.
Coal.
To pass you on that, Alind.
Pass.
Okay, Ramesh.
Pass.
Okay, Edwin.
Pass.
Okay, so this is Daira. Okay, so the Daira.
Hmm.
All right. We go to Alind's directs. Okay. Contrary to adherents who claim it to be an ancient belief system, which pagan religious movement was introduced in 1954 by a retired civil servant named Gerald Gardner, the term refers to the entirety of pagan witchcraft religion and shares etymological roots with the word witch. Yeah, 10 seconds, Alind. Yeah, do you have an answer?
No.
Okay, Alankar.
Wiccan movement.
Yeah, Wiccan is correct, right? The Wicca religion or the Wiccan, right, religion. Okay. We go to your second direct. Okay, which actor was considered for a lead role in the Alien Satyajit Ray's unfinished film? By this time, the actor had appeared as a bumbling inspector in some films, as well as a triple role in a Stanley Kubrick film.
Golden Stanley Group.
Ten
Pass.
seconds. Okay.
Pass.
Ramesh. Yeah, Ramesh.
Pass.
Okay. Alankar.
Sean Connery.
That's wrong. Edwin.
Pass.
Okay. So this is Peter Sellers. Okay, Peter Sellers, who played Inspector Clouseau in the Pink Panther series, right? Okay. We go to round 4 now. So at the end of round 3, right, Edwin has a narrow lead at 7 points. Ramesh with 4 points, Alankar with 6 points, Alind yet to open his account. So still, right, 5 rounds to go, more than half the quiz is left. Let's go ahead. Round 4, Edwin's directs. Okay. Now a Hawaiian music staple, this instrument was introduced to the region by Portuguese immigrants from Madeira. Its name translates to jumping flea, thought to derive from the movement of one's fingers when playing it. Which stringed instrument is this?
Ukulele.
Yeah, ukulele is correct, right? Good answer there. Second, direct to you. Yeah. What name is given to the type of scattering that occurs when light waves pass through particles that are smaller than the wavelength of radiation? This type of scattering in the atmosphere makes the sky appear blue. It is named after a physicist and peer whose real name is John William Strutt. Yeah, 10 seconds.
Uh,
Yeah, do you have an
Raman
answer?
effect.
No. Alind?
Rayleigh.
Yeah, Rayleigh scattering is correct, right? Okay, good answer there. So we go to Ramesh's directs. Okay. Who committed suicide while on the verge of defeat during the Second Battle of Philippi in Macedonia, dying by falling on his sword? Considered a traitor in most circles, he has been praised in various ancient and modern narratives as a virtuous and committed republican who futilely fought for freedom against the tyranny of Julius Caesar. Yeah, 10 seconds.
Brutus.
Yeah, Brutus is correct, right? We go to your second direct, Ramesh. Okay. Gavin Wood, co-founder of Ethereum, went on to create two more cryptocurrency blockchain platforms with names related to one another. If one is called Polkadot, which 92-year-old artist lends her name to the other? Yeah, 10 seconds. Yeah, do you have an answer, Ramesh?
No, pass.
Okay, Alind?
Betty White.
No. Alankar?
ADA with the currency being Cardano.
Can you repeat?
ADA.
No. Edwin?
It Kusama.
Yeah, Kusama is correct. That's very good answer. Yaoi Kusama, the Polkadot artist.
Oh, okay.
All right. We go to Alankar's directs. Okay. This brand mascot has been criticized since her debut for being offensive. Her name, taken from a stereotypical minstrel show character, is used as a female version of the derogatory Uncle Tom or Rastus epithet. Which breakfast foods brand was she a mascot of, renamed to Pearl Milling Company in 2021? In seconds. Alankar,
Genius.
to pass you on that. Alind?
Aunt Jemima.
Aunt Jemima is correct, right? Okay. So Alind, is this what you have for breakfast or something else?
Yeah, not today.
Okay. All right, your second direct, Alankar. Which 1929 German book was banned in Nazi Germany for being demoralizing and insulting to the Wehrmacht, the regular armed forces of the country, from 1935 to 1945? The year after its release, it was made into a film that won the Oscar for Outstanding Production and Best Director.
Schindler's List.
No. Alind?
Pass.
Okay. Ramesh?
Pass.
Okay. Edwin?
Pass.
Okay. So this is All Quiet on the Western Front. Okay.
Oh, okay.
That is the name. Okay. We go to Alind's directs. Okay, called the most mournful moving piece of stone in the world by Mark Twain, a sculpture featuring a dying lion impaled by a spear is found in which European city? It commemorates the 600 guards from this country, today popular for their protection elsewhere, who died at Tuileries Palace. This city, situated on the shores of a namesake lake, is also another name for the alfalfa flowering plant. Yeah, 10 seconds.
Geneva.
No. Ramesh? Yeah, do you have an answer, Ramesh?
Pass.
Okay, Alankar?
Interlaken.
No. Edwin?
Pass.
Okay. Yeah, so the answer is Lucerne. Okay, so the country was
Mhm.
correct, but the city is Lucerne in Switzerland. All right. We go to your second direct. Yeah. For the Olympics, in which city did the torch relay recreate Columbus' route through the New World, journeying through Italy, Spain, and the Bahamas? The infamous Tlatelolco massacre transpired following a summer of increasingly large demonstrations protesting against the Olympics. Yeah, 10 seconds.
Rio.
Okay, I have to pass you on that. Ramesh?
Mexico City.
Yeah, Mexico City is correct. Yeah,
Oh, okay.
1968. All right. So we go to round 5 now. We are halfway through the quiz, right? So Edwin leading with 9, Ramesh and Alankar both on 6, and Alind on 2. All right. So we go to Edwin's set of directs. Okay, which typically heart-shaped board on casters is used with an Ouija board to spell out messages from the dead? Scientists explain the motion in these objects is due to the ideomotor effect, but paranormal advocates believe it is moved by the presence of spirits.
Pass.
Okay, Alind?
Planchet.
Planchet is correct. All right, planchetting. Yeah. Second direct to you, Edwin. Okay, which 1929 book with its title From a Poem by George Peele was banned by fascist Italy till 1948 because it depicted the Italian army's World War I defeat at the Battle of Caporetto? The answer is one letter away from a 2009 book about economic history by Gregory Clark, which discusses the divide between rich and poor nations and methods to alleviate poverty.
Pass.
Okay, Alind.
Pass.
Okay, Ramesh. Yeah, do you have an answer, Ramesh? Okay, Alankar.
Pass.
Pass. Okay, so this is the Farewell to Arms. Farewell to Arms by Ernest Hemingway. The 2009 book was Farewell to Alms, right? ALMS. Okay, right. We go to Ramesh's directs. Okay, My Sweet Lord from Obama's 2021 summer playlist was written and first performed by which man in the 1970s? Written perhaps after a perspective-changing journey through India, the lyrics were intended as a call to abandon excessive religious attachment and blends the Hebrew word hallelujah with chants of Hare Krishna.
George Harrison.
George Harrison is correct, right? We go to your second direct. Okay, which British English slang term to refer to Great Britain or England comes from the term for a first order administrative division or province of the later Ottoman Empire? In Arabic, this term is in general denotes a region or district, but the Ottomans used it to denote a specific administrative division. Yeah, 10 seconds.
Bombs.
No, Alind.
Pass.
Okay, Alankar.
Blighty from Blighty.
Correct. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, so this is the Blighty. Okay,
Sorry,
so the
what
word is
was the answer?
Blighty. Blighty, Blighty, old Blighty, right? So Blighty, and the Arabic word is Vilayat, right? All right.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Okay, so we go to Alankar's directs. Yeah, Robert Ford is considered a traitor for shooting which outlaw friend of his in the back of the head in 1882. 10 years later, Ford would be shot and killed too, and his grave marker reads, "The man who shot ... He was played by Casey Affleck in a 2007 film which earned the actor an Academy Award nomination."
I who shot
10
Abraham
seconds.
Lincoln.
Okay, no, I have to pass you. Alind.
Pass.
Okay, Ramesh.
Pass.
Okay, Edwin.
The kid.
No. So this is Jesse James. Okay, the man who shot Jesse James. All right. Yeah. Okay. So we go to your second direct, Alankar. Okay. The Land Before Time features the adventures of Spike, the gluttonous, laid-back anthropomorphic version of which genus of quadrupedal herbivorous dinosaur, chiefly of the Jurassic period. Othniel Charles Marsh gave it a name derived from the Greek word meaning a roof, as the back armor plates in the fossilized remains look like roof tiles.
Stegosaurus.
Sorry?
Stegosaurus.
Yeah, Stegosaurus is correct, right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Greek word for roof is stegi. So the answer is Stegosaurus. So we go to Alin's directs now. Okay, closely related to the Samkhya school, which orthodox school of Hinduism seeks to better oneself physically, mentally, and spiritually. The Dash Sutras of Patanjali is a key text of this school of Hinduism. Its International Day has been celebrated annually since 2015 on June 21 every year.
Yoga.
Yeah, yoga is correct, of course, right? All right. All right. So your next direct now. Okay. Number 4 on the chess.com list of greatest players was which Cuban grandmaster, world champion from 1921 to 1927. From 1916 through 1924, he did not lose any competitive match. He is renowned for his exceptional endgame skill and speed of play. Concerns over the game having too many draws in the future inspired him to create an eponymous chess variant that would be played on a 10x8 board.
Bobby Fischer.
No. Ramesh?
Sorry, what is the answer?
He said Bobby Fischer. I passed him. Yeah, Ramesh, do you have an answer?
Pass.
Okay. Edwin?
Pass.
Okay. Alankar?
Pass.
Okay. So this is Jose Rol Capablanca. Okay. So the chess is the
Yeah.
Capablanca chess. All right. Yeah. So we go to round 6 now, right?
Mhm.
Ramesh, your set of directs.
So Edwin's. No?
Sorry, Edwin's set of directs. Correct. Yeah. Coyote from Obama's 2021 summer playlist is a 1976 song by which Canadian singer-songwriter. Drawing from folk, pop, rock, and jazz, her songs often reflect on social ideals as well as her feelings about romance, womanhood, and disillusionment. Madonna and Taylor Swift have both said they were influenced by her, and in 2002, she received a Grammy Lifetime Achievement Award.
Is it Janis Joplin?
To pass you on that, Alind.
Pass.
Okay. Ramesh?
John Baez.
No. Alind? Sorry, Alankar?
I'll pass.
Okay. Yeah, so this is Joni Mitchell. Okay, Joni Mitchell is the answer. All right. Yeah, your second direct, Edwin. Yeah, about which traitor did Benjamin Franklin say, Judas sold only one man, but he sold 3 million? George Washington had placed him in command of West Point only for him to betray trust and try to surrender the fort to the British. Once the plot was discovered in 1780, he fled to the British lines.
Geronimo?
No. Alind?
Pass. Pass.
Okay. Ramesh?
Pass.
Okay. Alankar?
Pass.
Okay. So this is Benedict Arnold. Okay. So the person is Benedict Arnold. All right. We go to Ramesh's second direct.
My first direct.
Oh, sorry. First direct. Yeah. Sorry. Okay. A cast iron sculpture of a lion with its paw upon a globe is found at which historically significant battlefield? It commemorates the location where William II of Netherlands was hit on the shoulder by a masked ball in 1815 while fighting under the command of the Duke of Wellington. Today it is located in Belgium.
So you need the battlefield.
Yeah, 10 seconds.
Vern.
No. Alind?
Pass.
Okay. Alankar?
Waterloo.
Waterloo is correct. Right.
Oh
Waterloo.
God.
All right. Right. Second direct to you, Ramesh. Yeah, described as the last man who knew everything, whose eponymous double-slit experiment helped understand the wave theory of light with the use of two coherent sources of light that placed at a small distance apart, he has made notable contributions to the field of vision, light, solid mechanics, energy, physiology, language, musical harmony, and Egyptology. Yeah, 10 seconds.
Da Vinci.
No, Alind.
Young. Young
Yeah,
stuff.
yeah, correct. Young is correct. Thomas Young is the person. All right. Alankar, your set of directs. Major Arcana is the name occultists give to 22 cards in what deck of usually 78 playing cards used for fortune telling. This is in contrast to the Minor Arcana cards, which comprise 4 suits of 14 cards each.
Tarot cards.
Yeah, tarot cards is correct, right? All right. We go to your second direct, Alankar. Yeah, for the Olympics, in which city was a 19-year-old Olympic flame torchbearer selected solely due to his date of birth to symbolize post-war reconstruction and peace? He did not actually compete in any event.
1948 London Olympics.
No, Alind.
Munich.
No, Ramesh.
Tokyo.
Yeah, Tokyo Olympics is correct. 1964 Tokyo Olympics, right? So the person was Yoshinori Sakai, and he was born on the date of the Hiroshima bombing, 6th August 1945. All right, so that was the reason he was chosen. We go to Alind's directs. Okay, which 1865 book was banned for long in Hunan, China for the portrayal of anthropomorphized animals acting on the same level of complexity as human beings? The censor felt that attributing human language to animals was an insult to humans and feared it would teach children to regard humans and animals on the same level.
This is pass.
Okay, Ramesh?
Origin of species.
No. Edwin?
Is it Alice in Wonderland?
Alice in Wonderland is correct, right? Okay, good answer there.
Nice. Good.
Our next direct to you, Alind. What name is given in Francophone countries to a subdivision of a department, typically equivalent to an English district? It derives its name from the French word for making round and typically has a prefecture as a capital. Paris has 20 of these.
Province.
No. Ramesh?
Pass.
Okay. Edwin?
Pass.
Okay. Alankar?
Arrondissement.
Arrondissement is correct, right? That's good answer.
What's the answer?
Arrondissement. Arrondissement.
Or French, arrondissement.
Yeah,
Arrondissement, whatever it's.
Yeah, arrondissement. Okay, yeah, something like that. Correct.
Can you spell it?
Okay,
in the chat?
ARRONDISMENT.
Correct. So I'll just paste it in the chat, right? Just for the benefit of everyone. Okay, so this is
Okay.
all right.
Nice.
So we go to round 7 now, penultimate round. So before we start that, we have Alankar having a narrow lead with 11 points, Edwin on 10, Ramesh with 8, and Alind with 5, right? 2 more rounds to go. We go with Edwin's directs of round 7. Okay. The Land Before Time features the adventures of Chomper, aka Eager Chomper, an anthropomorphic version of which genus of very large bipedal carnivorous dinosaur of the late Jurassic and Cretaceous periods. This king of the period and monarch of its race was first discovered by paleontologist Barnum Brown in the Badlands of Hell Creek, Montana in 1902 and is a pop culture favorite.
Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Yeah, Tyrannosaurus Rex is correct, right? So the king in the question, right? Straightforward hint. We go to the second direct for you, Edwin. Okay. Number 5 on the chess.com list of greatest players was which Russian grandmaster, world chess champion from 1975 to 1985. His playing style was known as the boa constrictor since he took few risks but reacted mercilessly to any error his opponents made. His rivalry with Garry Kasparov is legendary but could not defeat his fellow Russian in any of the 5 world championship contests they contested between 1984 and 1990.
Anatoly Karpov.
Yeah, Anatoly Karpov is absolutely correct. We go to Ramesh's set of directs. Okay. Obiageli Ezequiz is a founding director of which Berlin-based organization, whose most notable publications include the Global Corruption Barometer and the Corruption Perceptions Index. She launched the Bring Back Our Girls campaign in 2014 in response to the abduction of 300 girls in Nigeria by Boko Haram. Yeah, 10 seconds, Ramesh.
World Without Borders.
Okay, no. Alind?
Just Amnesty International.
No. Edwin?
Pass.
Okay. Alankar?
Transparency International.
Yeah, Transparency International is correct. Good answer there. We go to your second direct, Ramesh. Okay. Shakha Proshakha is a 1990 Satyajit Ray film. It deals with 4 generations of a well-to-do Bengali family with a focus on the 3rd generation. Which actor was one of the producers of the film? He won the César Award for acting and received an Oscar nomination for playing a large-nosed nobleman for a film from that same year. Yeah, 20 seconds, Ramesh.
Pass.
Do you have, okay. Alind? Yeah, Alind, do you have an answer?
No.
Okay. Edwin?
Pass.
Okay. Alankar?
I'll pass.
Okay. So this is Gerard Depardieu. Okay, Gerard Depardieu. So he was nominated for an Oscar for his role in Cyrano de Bergerac. Okay, so the 1990 movie was Cyrano de Bergerac. All right, we go to Alankar's first direct in round 7. Okay. Which orthodox school of Hinduism reflects ideas that emerged from the speculations and philosophies contained in the Upanishads? The word literally means the end of the Vedas and originally referred to the Upanishads. A controversial mining company shares the same name.
Vedanta.
Vedanta is correct. So
I
Alind
used
will
to
be,
work in that company.
yeah, Alind will be having some deja vu there. All right.
I worked for 2 years in that company.
Okay. Second direct. All right. On May 22, 2010, Florida man Laszlo Hanwich paid 10,000 Bitcoin to purchase 2 items of food from which franchisee considered the first official use of Bitcoin as a commercial transaction with a company. This franchisee was created after its founding father, Schnatter knocked out a closet in his father's taverns.
Papa John's.
Papa John's is correct, right? All right, we go to Alin's set of directs. Played with a plectrum called a bachi, this traditional thin-necked Japanese instrument accompanies kabuki performances. Name this stringed instrument which was wielded by the protagonist of the 2016 animated film Kubo and the Two Strings.
Thin-necked Japanese. Pass.
Okay.
Pass.
Okay. Ramesh.
Pass.
Okay. Edwin.
I'll pass. Pass.
Okay. Alankar.
I'll pass.
Okay. So this is the shamisen. Okay. So the instrument is the shamisen. We go to your second direct, Alind. Okay. Jenny Joseph talked about her experience holding a light bulb while having a sheet wrapped around her when she was modeling for this mascot. Which company's mascot was she posing for, meant to represent the national personification of a country?
Oh. So this is the Statue of Liberty.
Okay. I have to pass you on that. Ramesh.
Oh, do I have to answer a company? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Sorry. Sorry. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. Ramesh, do you have an answer?
American Express.
No. Edwin.
Pass.
Okay. Alankar.
Columbia Pictures.
Yeah. Columbia
Columbia
Pictures is correct. All right. Yeah. So the question asked company. We go to the last round now, right? So Alankar has little bit lead of 3 points at 15. Edwin on 12, Ramesh on 8, and Alind on 5. All right. So the last set of directs for Edwin. Okay, a statue of a mythical beast with the head of a lion and the body of a fish spouting water is an iconic landmark in which Asian city? The lion represents the original name of the city.
Singapore.
Singapore is correct. The Merlion. We go to your second direct. What is the cryptocurrency exchange launched in 2015 by the Winklevoss brothers of Olympic and Facebook fame? In 2016, it became the first licensed Ethereum exchange based in the US and is appropriately named given that they are twins.
Binance.
No, Alind.
Coinbase.
No, Ramesh. Yeah, Ramesh, do you have an answer?
Pass.
Alankar.
Gemini.
Gemini is correct, right? All right. So
Gemini too.
good answer there. We go to Ramesh's set of directs. Okay. Melinda was unable to pronounce her L's and R's and so became known by a shorter nickname. Her nickname was used to name her father's restaurant, and her likeness in the form of a young freckle-faced girl in red braids was used for the restaurant's mascot. What restaurant is this? Today an international fast food chain.
Wendy's.
Yeah, Wendy's is correct, right? We go to your second direct. Okay, at the opening ceremony of the 2004 Athens Olympics, runner George Sabanis lapped around the stadium, symbolically crossing tape dedicated to the previous 27 Olympiads. He symbolically stumbles at points dedicated to the years 1916, 1940, and 1944. What was the specific symbolism behind his stumbles?
These Olympics had to be stopped because of war.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, precisely. That is the thing. So no Olympics on those years. We go to Alankar's set of directs. Okay, this instrument arrived in North America by the Atlantic slave trade, eventually transitioning to mainstream American culture via minstrel shows. Which stringed instrument is this? It counts Kermit the Frog amongst its famous players and is used in a musical duel in the film Deliverance.
Guitar.
No, Alind.
Pass.
Okay, Edwin.
Banjo.
Banjo is correct, right? All right. So we go to your second direct. Okay. For his unmade Hollywood film about an alien landing in a Bengali village, Satyajit Ray was particularly keen on casting one actor for the role of an American engineer who was this king of cool who was making films such as The Cincinnati Kid and Nevada Smith around that time. Yeah, 10 seconds.
Foster crab.
No, Alind.
Pass.
Okay, Ramesh. Yeah. Do you have an answer?
Pass.
Okay, Edwin.
Al Pacino.
No. So this is Steve McQueen. Okay, so the person is Steve McQueen. All right. So we go to the last two questions of the quiz. Alind, your directs.
Mhm.
Okay. Right. Which natural philosopher who also served as the master of the Royal Mint analyzed the fundamental nature of light in his 1704 book Optics. Alongside works by Kepler and Huygens, it is considered one of the major works on optics during the scientific revolution.
Isaac Newton.
Yeah, Isaac Newton is correct, right? And the last question to you. Okay, Nadia Murad was jointly awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 2018. She thus became the first member of which persecuted minority to be awarded a Nobel Prize. This endogamous and mostly Kurmanji-speaking minority primarily lives in the disputed territories of northern Iraq.
Kurdish.
No, Ramesh.
Not Kurdish, right? You said Kurdish.
Yeah. He said
Is it
Kurds.
Kurdish?
Yeah.
Pass.
Okay, Edwin.
Yazidi.
Yeah, Yazidi is correct.
Yeah,
All right.
Yazidi.
So the specifically Yazidis was the answer. All right. So that's the end of the quiz, right? So Alankar winning narrowly with 16 points. Edwin second with 15. Ramesh with 10. Alind with 6, right? So yeah. So great
Good
game,
game.
all of you.
Congrats, Alankar.
Yeah. Yeah.
Good game. Good game.
All
Thank
the
you,
best to
everyone.
of you.
Yes, bye.
Bye, everyone.
Right.